Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is a 2021 Grady-White 21-foot Freedom. This is an awesome family boat, a great fishing boat too, very versatile. You don't have to own two boats when you've got this. You want to go dinner cruising, you've got a boat with a lot of seating in it, but you've got a live well, you've got rod holders, all the stuff that you need for a great day of fishing. You've got some jump seats back in the back of the boat. They flip over like this one is flipped over right here, so that you have boarding. There's a swim platform back here. You see how that backrest swings away. Now you've got a nice walk through right there. Ski piling, live well. Over on the port side, you've got back-to-back seat over here. Gives you that a little bit of extra seat. Still a lot of fishing room in the boat though. Let's look towards the helm here. Look at the helm chair on this boat. I mean, this is a seat like you would see on a 70-foot sport fish. When you look at it, you see the quality on it, the heavy stainless steel, the stitching in the upholstery. Nice seat. We've got hydraulic steering on this, a 200 horsepower Yamaha, by the way. Tilt steering wheel, Yamaha multifunction gauge right in front of you. Controls for your stereos on that side, but you've got a remote control for the stereo here. This is a head compartment. The covers for the boat are just stored down there right now. So this got front and aft covers with it, but there's a head down below there. Walk-through windshield. Super comfortable seats in the bow of this boat. This is a boat you need to come test ride. I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call. Let's put it in the water.